Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some tips to make your iPhone battery last longer. So if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you watch the video till the end. Alright, let's jump straight into this video. The first thing to bear in mind is that you shouldn't leave any unused application on your iPhone. So scroll through your iPhone and look for apps that you ain't using. You can delete them. So make sure you delete any unused application on your iPhone. Delete any unused application and leave only the ones you use. That's the first step to follow. The next tip, make sure that you are always on dark mode. Dark mode is the real deal. Make sure you are always on dark mode. So I know a lot of you guys know how to turn on dark mode, but if you don't know how to turn on dark mode, you go to settings, control center, you add dark mode to your control center. Then if you just want to turn it on and off, just toggle it here. You can turn it off and you can turn it on. So always use dark mode every time. The third tip, do not sync all your applications on Icloud. Go to settings, click on Apple ID, Icloud, check all your apps being synced to Icloud. Turn off as many as possible. So make sure you turn off as many as possible apps that are using iCloud. The next tip is that you shouldn't charge your phone all the way to 100%. Do not overcharge your iPhone. I've seen a lot of you guys overcharge your iPhone, charge it all the way to 100% and use it down to 0%, and you think it's cool. Listen, it's not cool. When you start charging your phone to 100% and start draining it to 0, your battery health starts to reduce, right? So the best way is to charge your iPhone to 80% and use it down to 10%. That way your battery should last longer. And this is an extra tip for you guys. Do not use widgets. A lot of you guys use widgets. Make sure that the number of widgets that are on your iPhone is reduced. The number of widgets that are on your iPhone. Here are the widgets. Okay, a lot of you guys like using widgets. I don't like using widgets. So the number of widgets on your iPhone should be reduced. The more widgets you have, the lesser your battery performance. The last tip will be background app refresh. Turn off background app refresh. Okay, go to settings, general, you see background app refresh under iPhone storage. Click on it and turn it off. It must be off always. This is very important. Make sure it's always turned off. Okay, so I promise you, if you follow all these steps, your battery performance is going to be top notch. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification, follow us both on Instagram. Love you guys. Peace.